Go be a donkey. You are not a dog. Baloney. Go be a donkey. The donkeys are out there. Tony Baloney. Somehow in his brain, he is confused with how donkeys live. Oh no, did he just open that door? Annie, I think he just opened this door. Baloney. It's outside dunk time. Baloney. Listen to me. You are an outside livestock animal. Buddy. I know. Go be a dunk. The other dunks are out there being dunks. You can be a dunk too. I believe in you. Go bite on Hank. He'll bite you back. Yeah. I saw him sassing you yesterday and you kind of deserved it, to be honest. I love you, Tony, but you got sassed by Hank and you kind of need it. You don't have a mama to, sass you back. Okay, we'll play with the cat. All right, buddy.